Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, you are welcome. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, and if you've been here, welcome back. Make sure you watch this video till the end, and also let me know how I'm going to perform. Yeah, rate my makeup. So guys, let's go straight into the video. So I'm just applying lotion to my face. And also I'm prepping my lips. Guys, don't mind this shade that I'm wearing. I'm actually washing. I just stopped and thought I should do this video because I've been sick. I was supposed to film many videos on Friday, and then I don't know what happened. I got sick. Instantly. I've ever been you were just okay, then within 1 minute everything changes. That's what happened on Friday. Saturday I woke up feeling better, but again I was feeling lightheaded and everything. Then yeah, today is Sunday. I feel much better, and yeah, that's why I'm even washing. And I thought, let me film this video, you know. Yeah, because I've been planning to film this video for a long time now. So I thought this is the time, and I've noticed that it's quiet. So yeah, this is the convenient time to film.
Yeah, so guys, then for this video I'm not going to do a voiceover. I'm just going to put some music and let you guys enjoy this video.